You know, I was talking to one of the groomsmen at a wedding reception I just recently did, and one of the things that he said he admired about the planning process and all of the prep that I was doing was that he was in the Army. And in the Army, there's always a plan. And with the plan comes the plan for the plan. And with that comes the backup to the plan of the plan, and the backup to the backup of the plan of the plan. And he noticed that I do that. I guess I didn't really even notice that that's something that I was doing that wasn't like natural. You know, just kind of the way I think, right? And when you take on the responsibility of an event, that's how you begin to think. Hi, it's Bill, it's Creative License. Thanks again for checking in. My sponsors, of course, are Promo Only, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, and of course my workshop, the Entertainment Experience. But I talk about it in the workshop on a regular basis about how you should take responsibility. Once they give you the microphone, you're the most powerful person in the room. You are responsible for a lot of things that go on. So as soon as you're there, you should be realizing that because you've been given that power, you are now responsible for everything that goes on. And if you're now responsible for the outcome, what are you willing to do? What kind of backups to backups to backups to the plan are you planning to do? Because you want it to go well. Now, granted, they're going to do all the work, and it doesn't necessarily mean you're in charge, but the more backups to backups and plan for a plan you have, the better things are going to work out. And he noticed it. Why? Because he's in the Army. And he said, in the Army, there's a plan for a plan and a backup for a backup for a backup. And he says, man, every time I turn around, and maybe ask you a question, you had it covered, you had it covered, you had it covered. I'm finding out that there's only a few of us out there that think that way. My question is, why is that? Why aren't you one of those people? And if you are, good for you. If you are, why do you do it? If you don't do that, I'd like to know why too. Write it in the comments below, or send me an email, or call me up on my cell phone. I mean, you can find me online. Tell me I'm an idiot. I'm okay. Until next time, though, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.